Your child can read the words, but can they explain what happened? Notice what matters? Understand what the author is really saying? Reading Guide Safari is a simple trifold that gives your child the tools to read with real understanding. It's the perfect companion to the elementary reading journal. As they read, students will learn to spot powerful words like adjectives, nouns, and verbs, all so they can describe what's happening on the page as they're reading. They'll also understand how stories are built with characters, setting, and plot, so they know exactly what to look for. And instead of just turning pages, they'll learn what questions to ask before, during, and after they read, turning passive reading into active thinking. The reading guide helps kids discover the difference between fiction and nonfiction and how to identify the author's purpose and main idea. And when it's time to compare and contrast, they'll learn how to use the Venn diagram to organize their thinking. No worksheets, no prep, just a simple tool your child can reach for again and again. The Reading Guide Safari helps kids move beyond reading words to understanding them. Grab yours at notconsume.com today.